firefly got lost among the shadows of the forest. He stopped there. He looked at the sky, dreamed about it for a while. In his heart he understood that was where he wanted to fly. Courageously he defied the sky, but higher up he lost his breath. Oh, firefly, freely, little star. You were looking for the sky, but you found a cell. Oh, firefly, freely, trapped alive. Your dream in a jar is sealed. As he fell, tired and hurt, he heard a soft voice, lost, a fallen star. How wonderful! But the glass closed it. He extinguished the spark. Oh, firefly, freely, little star. You were looking for the sky, but you found a cell. Oh, firefly, freely, trapped alive. Your dream in a jar is sealed. Sister stars above still shine. She looks at them. Time is no consolation. The girl